Simple Recipes for Joy is a vegan cookbook comprised of recipes that I've developed over many years. I would cook something and then, if it was good, I saved the recipe. Those recipes were made for the Jivamukti Cafe in New York City, as well as for my friends and family. My food philosophy: live simply, make compassionate choices when it comes to food. What we eat should not just be good for us, but it should contribute to our happiness. In fact, everything we do should contribute to happiness. Or why do it? And so if we ourselves want to be happy and free, then it would promote our project not to cause unhappiness to others. The SAD diet, that stands for Standard American Diet of meat and dairy products, makes you sad. It contributes to heart disease and cancer and diabetes. It makes you fat. So with a vegan diet, you can reverse all that. You can change that sadness to joy. What are my favorite recipes from the Simple Recipes for Joy cookbook? I would say all of the recipes are my favorite. I love to eat my own cooking, but perhaps I'm partial to the raw green soup, the nettle soup, and the spirulina millet. Yeah, I like to eat green things. Vegan cooking is not only good for you, the environment, and the animals, but it's simple, easy, and fun. There's over 200 recipes in the book. That should keep you busy in the kitchen for a while.